Hello, my friends. It's wonderful to see you. Remember to click subscribe and hit the like button for more adventures. Get your mat ready, take a big breath, and let's get started. All right, let's go.
Standing forward, fold. Hinge from your hips. Fold your torso over your legs and let your head and arms hang heavy, bending the knees as needed. Breathe slowly and evenly. Frog pose. From hands and knees, slide your knees wide apart with ankles in line. Lower your hips and rest on forearms, or a block. Breathe slowly and evenly. Goddess pose. Take a wide stance with toes turned out. Bend your knees deeply and sink your hips while keeping your chest lifted. Breathe slowly and evenly. Half split. From low lunge, shift your hips back over the back knee and straighten your front leg, flexing the toes toward your face as you hinge forward. Breathe slowly and evenly. Cobra pose. Lie on your belly, place your hands under your shoulders, and gently lift your chest using your back muscles with little weight in the hands. Breathe slowly and evenly. Four-limbed staff pose. From plank, bend your elbows straight back, keep your body in one line and hover a few centimeters above the floor. Breathe slowly and evenly. Oat pose. Sit on your sit bones, lean back slightly, lift your feet off the floor and balance on your tailbone, lengthening your spine. Breathe slowly and evenly. Reclined twist. Lie on your back, draw one or both knees toward your chest, and let them fall to one side while you look in the opposite direction. Breathe slowly and evenly. Pyramid pose. Step your back foot in slightly, straighten your front leg and fold over the front thigh, keeping your hips square. Breathe slowly and evenly. Supported shoulder stand. Use a block or folded blanket under your hips as you lift your legs toward the ceiling for a gentler inversion. Breathe slowly and evenly. Warrior 2. From a wide stance, bend your front knee, keep your back leg straight, and extend your arms out at shoulder height. Gaze over the front hand. Breathe slowly and evenly. Runner's lunge. From a long lunge, keep your fingertips on the floor, your back leg active, and your chest reaching forward. Breathe slowly and evenly. Mountain pose. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Press all 4 corners of the feet into the mat. Lengthen your spine and relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly and evenly. Extended side angle pose. From Warrior 2, place your forearm on your front thigh or hand to the floor, and reach your top arm over your ear, creating a long diagonal line. Breathe slowly and evenly.
Wonderful job, my friends! You moved with such grace today. If you had fun, please like the video and subscribe to join our team. Invite your friends to practice next time. Big breath in, smile, and relax. See you soon. Bye-bye.